What's the best way to get grease off your cooktop? Well, I got some tips. They're gonna help you out. Let's get started. If you have an electric cooktop, before you start cooking, take a wet towel. Just wipe down the cooktop before you cook. That will remove any environmental dirt, any dust that's settled, and that alone will help with cleanup. If we're trying to lift grease off of our cooktop, whether it's a glass top or a gas top, I would avoid abrasive cleaners. They can leave micro scratches, which then fill in with dirt and really make the problem worse. So I like a gentle cleaner, the Dawn Power Wash. I find this is very easy to use. You can spray it on lightly, wipe down with a wet cloth after you're done cooking, and it really does lift that grease and keep things clean. The key though is to wipe down your cooktop every time you finish cooking. That more than anything will reduce buildup and keep your stove looking brand new. To wipe down my gas stove, I take a dry towel and I'll move the burner grate over so that it's out of the way. And then again, just a wet towel, wipe this down after every use. Water is a very effective cleaner. I put this rack down and I do the other side. Just do a few moments of work before and after you cook, and you won't have buildup. Your new range will look brand new forever and ever.